Hi everyone, my name is Chantel and welcome to this channel. This is my second channel. My main channel is Darkest Raven Designs. However, I created this second channel to post anything that doesn't quite fit on my main channel. Today I have some happy mail for you from my friend Jen from America, and I wanted to share that unboxing and the goodies inside with you. So let's unpack this big box of goodies. Ooh, there we go. She reused the box that she has received, then sent to me, then I sent to her, and she sent back to me again. And I also recognize this paper because I'm pretty sure that is what I sent her last time. So that's good. My goodness, this is jam-packed with stuff. I can see this pen sticking out at me, and it's a Karen brush marker. I really wanted to try these ones out, so this is awesome. Thank you so much, Jan. I'm just gonna place them on the side here because I don't know how to do this. Alright. I can see another one sticking out. Ooh, a Tombow mono drawing pen, water-based pigment ink marker. Nice. I did ask her for some of these Altoid tins, and they're actually filled with something. More ravens! Jen, this is awesome! This is so cool. She custom made these for me. It's awesome. And more ravens! Thank you so much, Jen. Amazing. This is catching my eye, but it's inside something, so. Come here. Ooh. Is this resin? I think it might be. Look at that one. Look at that steampunk fish. I think it's resin. I love those frames, absolutely love them. So cool. Ooh. Come back here. Tiny little one. Another Altoids. That is so cool for small, how do you call them? Small dioramas. Okay, let's just grab this one. This is so cool. Everything's cool. Cool. What's this? Van Gogh turquoise green. Nice. And this is a bird cage. Absolutely adorable. Might put a fairy in that or something. Haha. Blending stumps. Always handy to have. Aha, this is what she told me, that she made a from a Pepsi can. She made a flower, and that's this thing. How cool is that? This is so pretty. So pretty. Wow, look at that lace. Fantastic for miniatures and stuff. Beautiful. What is this? Wow. Is this resin as well? That is awesome. That is so cool. Thank you so much, Jen. I've never seen these before. I have a paper pack of the paperback is from Graphic 45, which I absolutely love. That must be my favorite brand, and they have a Under the Sea line or paper pack, and I am absolutely in love with that paper pack. But this seahorse and the what is it, diver's helmet with octopus will definitely go with that. I'll go with this one. So pretty. So this is different material from the other one. So Jen, you have to tell me, did you use a dye for these? And that just worked? They look really, really cool. Haha! She sent me the Rembrandt soft pastels. Because she hates pastels, but I do like them. I do like them to use in various projects. Oh, she sent me one of her mixed media books that she gets in Love, Create, Repeat, something like that, rather. But yeah, these are very thick, sturdy pages for mixed media. Thank you. Ha! That's one of the marbling pages from Smart Art. It's actually a color combination I haven't tried for myself. What is this? Stonehenge Aqua Hot Press. Cold press. Wow, that's thick. Okay, so there are different ones. Watercolor papers. Very nice. I can see an Arteza sketchbook there. Oh my goodness. Jen has a laser cutter, and I'm pretty sure at least this one is from her. It smells so good. It smells like burnt wood. This is fantastic. Wow! Look at this thing. That's an eagle. That is awesome. That would be great on a journal, just as a cover. Jan, these are truly, truly amazing. Just to hold them together, some washi tape. They are incredible. There's so much in here. Look at all that. That's a dog. Oh, an eagle. Lots of gears and cogs. Fantastic. Steampunk lady. A steampunk guy with a top hat. These are fantastic. More frames. Awesome. This is just so good for miniature stuff. And ooh. More cogs and gears, and oh look, a Harry Potter gear. Come here, a Harry Potter gear. A raven with very, very fragile feet. Another one of those. And another flying raven. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Dan. This is fantastic. So good. And an Arteza sketchbook, because it's very hard for me to get them here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, it's watercolor paper. cold press dual-sided. So one side has more rough texture. Can you see that? One is smooth. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you, thank you. Well, we can get them here, but it's all very expensive coming from the US. And same for this one, but smaller. I like this size too. A mini aqua cold press heavy. Ooh, that is heavy. Look how thick that is. Watercolor paper. It's in here. In Arteza Aqua brush pen. Sculpting tools. Thank you, Jen. Wonderful, wonderful. That is adorable. That is gonna be red to my little one. Thank you, Jen. I can see some pastel paper here, which I have never tried before, so thank you for that, Jen. I'm looking forward to using that. And then last, but certainly not least, I know what this is. So these are the 36 premium Arteza watercolors. And last time she sent me a bunch over. And ooh, never seen those before. And oh my goodness, Jen! That's nuts! Jen! This is insane! What? So she sent me all these tubes as well. My goodness, Jen, thank you so much. Meadow Lake Light. Purple Orange Lavender. Naples Yellow Red. And Azure Yellow Deep, plus the one that we had before somewhere here. And my goodness, this is insane. So these are also Arteza pens. They belong to the set. But last time she sent me a box. She sent me part of this set. These. So what I want to do is I want to do a comparison between this set and this Winsor & Newton set that I've had for a while now, because this is 36 and this is 48, I think. But yeah, I want to do a comparison between the two. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in that. Just on this channel where I will do hauls and unboxings, and if you want to send me something from the other channel, it will be unboxed on this channel, and I'll do comparisons and that kind of stuff. Watercolor paintings, yada yada yada. So I will still be doing that, but on this channel, not on the other one. Also on this channel, I want to do some vlogging. So that being said, Jen, thank you so much for sending me all these goodies. I am really happy with all of this. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.